Bird flu and other infectious diseases continue to be a threat to livestock across Asia. In an effort to fight the problem, a research institute in Thailand is turning to technology. NHK World's Kemapat Wanitchakun reports.
In the northern Thai city of Chiang Mai, poultry farming is a key industry. People here have long lived close to chickens. In 2004, the city suffered an outbreak of bird flu. More than 60 million chickens were killed. 12 people died from the virus. A delay in crucial detection of the source of the outbreak allowed it to spread across the country. Now farmers and researchers are joining a new project in Chiang Mai. Their goal is to prevent another outbreak. And smartphones are their main tool. Farmers use a specially developed app to collect data such as animal type and condition. The categories range from normal or beaten to dead. Then the farmer submits the information, which goes straight to a university data center. Veterinarians work around the clock to check the data. When they detect signs of trouble, the vets telephone farmers within 3 hours to tell them what to do. The farmers are told to isolate livestock if needed and to dispose of dead animals. เลิศรักศรีกิจการ is an associate professor at Chiang Mai University's veterinary medicine faculty. He played a central role in developing the app.
Smartphones are the best way to quickly confirm the spread of bird flu. Farmers can take photos of their livestock and send them immediately.
ศรีกิจการ 's team hopes to boost the size of the project to increase its effectiveness. 300 people have already been taught how to use the app.
If farmers promptly send reports on bird flu, many others can protect their livestock. It's a great system.
Food store owner Prapan Thasutta has high hopes for the new app. He keeps 60 chickens at home. During the 2004 outbreak, he had to cull all 50 of his chickens. He took part in a seminar on the app last December, and since then has been sending data every day.
It was painful to cull all the chickens. I don't want to repeat that ever again.
I want to make this project a success. If it works well, it will benefit farmers.
With bird flu still a major threat, the world is watching to see if the Chiang Mai project can prevent another deadly outbreak. เขมภัทร โรจน์ วานิชกุล NHK World เชียงใหม่